Hey guys, welcome back to Stay Slick Auto Details. Gary G. Got a good one for you today. On Christmas Eve, my son and I decided to take my truck out mudding across the way at this new school they're building. And man, my truck got destroyed. As you can see, there's construction equipment everywhere. There's a lot going on. And then there's my truck. So in this one, we're going to take care of the exterior of the vehicle, apply a paint sealant. At the end, you're going to see me take care of this really muddy truck. Stay tuned. Here we go. So just like with every detail, especially with a muddy detail, start with the wheels. I'm just actually getting mud off the tires right here just because there was so much caked on. So now we're going to go in with our wheel cleaner of choice, which is always super clean, diluted 4:1. I really don't feel the need to buy dedicated wheel cleaners or tire cleaners anymore. Super Clean does such a good job. I've been using it forever. It's super cheap. It's like less than $10 a gallon. So this is what I use for all my wheels, no matter how dirty or clean it is. Just change the dilution ratio. Yeah, so with every detail, especially a muddy one, you're definitely going to want to do a very thorough rinse. This right here, as you can see, and you will see, is going to knock off most of the dirt. The only dirt that's not going to come off is the stuff that's stuck to the paint, and that's what the contact wash and the foam wash is going to take care of. But it is very, very important that you get off as much dirt as possible before you start the contact wash. That way you don't cause any scratching or marring on the paint. Next step is foam bath. So the idea behind this is to cover the whole vehicle in soap. Let it emulsify the dirt. That way you can get off as much dirt as possible before you go in for your contact wash. Alright, so the vehicle all rinsed down. Now we're going to go in with Bead Maker by PNS. This is the paint cylinder choice I'm using. Before this, I had Chemical Guys Hydro Speed, which is really just their ceramic quick detailer. But I was very surprised with the beading that product caused. Yeah, my only gripe was pretty much the same thing I have with any spray-on paint sealant, especially like Bead Maker as well, is it works really well, but it only lasts really 1 to 2 washes. So as long as you use it as a drying aid or something along that line, then you're going to always have that kind of water behavior and protection on your paint. Alright, so this is the Vortex cleaning tool. It's an interior cleaning tool, but somebody turned me onto it on YouTube. I forgot their name, but this is one of the best ways to get water out of the lug nuts and out of knobby tires like you see here before you put on your tire dressing.
Good, how you doing? Yes, ma'am. Alright guys, so you see we did a full detail on my baby here. Man, it was a lot of work. It's a lot of work. There's a ton of mud on the ground, but you know what? It's all about having fun. You have fun, and then this is the process to clean up afterwards. I find it to be relaxing and be fun. So, hey, it was worth it to me. It was a lot of fun to make the video. And, you know, so we took care of the outside, the paint. We got all the mud off. We cleaned up the wheels. We cleaned up the undercarriage, the windows. We applied Bead Maker to the whole surface. I know it's gonna actually rain here tomorrow, but that's okay. That's another reason why I put some more Bead Maker on there, just because, well, it's gonna help to repel some of that water and some of the dirt that's gonna be coming up for Christmas. So it is what it is. I would thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, we have all our socials down there. We have Instagram, we have Facebook, we also have our website, stayslickdetailing.com. If you want to book with us, then you can just go through there. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one. Merry Christmas.